the simple answer is we won't have as many animals. I mean, if you look at the trend, and that doesn't mean a trend line can't change direction, right? Uh, that's not what I'm saying, because it can change direction. But if we look at what the trend has been over the past several decades, sure, if we increase the cattle herd, it's not going to be back to the high that we had in 2017, 18, or whatever it was. It's just not going to happen. No reason for it to happen. And if you're in the industry, why would you want it to happen? I mean, you don't want to overproduce and then result in a loss in your business.